Welcome to how to edit video in CapCut app. So in this video we are going to show you how to edit video in CapCut app. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up CapCut and then you will tap on this new project option and then you will select video from here. Okay, so basically I will select this video from here. Okay, like this video from here. Then you will tap on add, and once you do this you can see that we have like bunch of different options from here. So if you want to cut this video here, you will basically tap on video, and let's suppose I wanted to cut from here to here, so you will simply tap on split and then again go ahead, tap on split, then select this and then tap on delete, and now this video has been cut. And if you want to add some transitions, you can simply tap on this option here and then transitions menu will pop up. So let's suppose you wanted to add this transition, so tap on mix, and now you can see that when you will basically play this, you will see the transition here. Also you can add text from here. Okay, add text, you will add text, and then you have the styles option. So here you can basically stylize your text, and you can basically add stroke to the text as well, and you can add the glow and the background as well, and you can basically add animations to the text as well. Like let's suppose I wanted to add this animation, so I will tap on this one and you can see that this is the animation. And you can also add some effects to the video as well. Go to this filter option, and now here you can see that we will have bunch of different filters. As let's suppose I wanted to add this filter, I will tap on this one, and now you can see we have this filter. You can basically increase or decrease the filter strength from here, and when you wanted to export the video, simply tap on export, and now the video is now saving in your gallery. Okay, so that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.